How to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer the WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. Now, the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, if you want to transfer the chats directly without any problem, then what you can do is you can simply get the cable and connect your iPhone and Android to that cable, and once you're connected, simply open up WhatsApp and go ahead to transfer chats option and scan the QR in order to transfer. Now that's the longer process. You'll need to have the cable, right? Now if you don't have cable and if you don't want to go through this longer process, all you have to do is simply open up WhatsApp, head over to the settings on your iPhone. Now I'm on Android, so I'll just be guiding you through. Simply head into chats, and down below you'll see chat backup option. Tap on it, and here simply tap on backup and back up your chat. Once you tap on it, it'll take some time to back up all your chats that you have, so simply back it up, and once you're backed up, you can simply go ahead and head over to your WhatsApp on your Android. Simply log into your account and it'll ask you to recover your previous chats. Simply tap on recover and all your backed up chats will recover there on your Android device. So this way you can easily transfer chats from WhatsApp on iPhone to Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.